Hello watercolor friends. Today we will paint another short watercolor. Let's start with yellow ochre and indigo. Daniel Smith calls it nickel azo yellow. Indigo, my favorite dark color. Just enough water to give it a smooth texture. By the way, today's weather forecast is wind advisory in Santa Monica. I see our avocado tree kissing the lawn. It gives me the idea to name this painting A Sunny, Windy Day in the Country. So far I like my new watercolor paper. Hot pressed, 140 pounds, 100% cotton, also imported from France. I just love watching the paint do its magic. When the pigment runs, tilt the painting slowly. And yes, it requires patience. Dabbing wetter spots or take off some colors, I use paper napkins. You can also create nice textures this way. Since it's an impressionistic painting, I splatter red dots randomly on the still slightly damp watercolor. It doesn't have to mean something specific. They can be red leaves or berries. Let the color run off the edge, but when the tilting is over, wipe off the excess paint so you won't create a line around the painting. Add some greens to both trees. We will pick up some red color from the dots, which blend into the yellow and the sky. Definitely wrong color. A thin layer of white acrylic is needed. Luckily, the paint is still damp enough to let me pick up more yellow pigment. I hope you liked this tutorial. It turned out to be a mild, windy day in the country compared to the weather in Los Angeles. Well, my friends, good working with you. Stay safe and see you soon again.